All right, we're doing the 2-box random divisions of Platinum Football. So what I'm going to do first, anything but Snake Eyes, we re-roll 7 times. So we are going to take the divisions and go 7 times, and then we're going to take your names and go 7 times. That's how it's going to work. It is 12:12 Central Time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. NFC South down to the NFC East. Oh, it's got the numbers. That's annoying. AFC East, excuse me. Bam. 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 Alright, now we're going to take your names. Do the same exact thing. New giveaway. Yeah, send wherever you want. I got the business and I got the personal PayPal. I can transfer it between the accounts. I mean, I'm sure I'll get, audited at some point, but I'll just tell them that Pardo let me do it. Randomizing of the breakies for flat. I'm sure that'll keep me out of tax jail. All right, anything other than Snake Eyes? All right, 6 times. Here's your names in order of when you said you would take a team. That's it. So we're going 6 times. It is 12:14. Good luck. This is 2015, by the way. Yeah, by the way, if you didn't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And a kiss of death, 6. Got hacks on top. Dave on bot. Anybody wants to throw a fit, I've got the verification codes, so on and so forth. If you need me to provide them, oh my god, I'm not highlighting that. Provide them for you. But this is how it lines up. It's annoying, I can't even put it in alphabetical order because you've got your numbers in front of it. Oh, I guess we gotta run one more giveaway because we gotta see which box we get. I guess I need to move this to the side so you can kind of see what I'm doing, so you don't think I'm doing some shady. It's all random. It doesn't matter. I know y'all guys don't care. I just do it for the legitimateness of the video. And I have infinite giveaways. Let's see. Let's see. How many times? Anything but Snake Eyes? Blah, 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 8 times. I've got boxes 1 through 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 12, 16. It's box 8 and box 4. Take this down so that you can see. Box 4. Box 8. Not like any of you care whatsoever. Just like to show the legitimateness of it. Okay. As y'all hit an auto, please help keep me updated. I've got a lot of stuff going on. Via the book face. Can someone say something in chat so I can make sure we're live? Is everything going okay? Can I get a okay. Can I get a hallelujah? Oh, yo, if y'all want to trade divisions, y'all talk trade divisions. If you want to sell your division, sell, trade, whatever. Y'all talk that. Because I need a refill. Go wash my hands, guys. No one wants to trade. Everyone's happy with their divisions. This is life. If you're watching this recorded, this is apple juice. Apple juice that is in a alcohol container, but it's apple juice. Would never drink on stream. All for sale. I think that's 10,000. We got a comma missing. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and start ripping the packs of this first box while y'all don't discuss trading. Some of the teams have there are some vet auto 101s. I do know that. But then again, we pulled a 3-color patch Travis Kelce auto out of 280. So I mean, there's some veteran autos too, but it's mainly, you know, the big dogs are the rookies that you see on the box. That's what they want to promote. All right, so if you're not familiar, Platinum is 20 packs, 5 cards per pack. I think it's got like a rookie card, and it's like a thicker golder card. So any thicker card, rookie card, or variation, I will ship. Base cards will not ship, like the base. But I'm gonna go ahead and open it all up, and because it's 20 packs, just from one box. Did he get hurt? I don't keep up with Kansas City. I thought that was sorry. The patch autos are really thick, so I'm trying to leave them for the end. Like we tell Taylor, no peeking. I'm just gonna assume my chat's broke. Or everyone fell asleep. Phil, say something. You're the only one I can trust. Okay, just making sure. Everybody's just doing doing their own thing during the ripping. That makes sense. Would be 2. The gold cards are so thick. The gold variations are so thick. It makes I always think it's a patch. Taking that night nap. I'm known for those. I'm known for naps at all times. Okay, this is the fat one. I can feel it. I won't even open it. I'll just say I'm so confident that that's the patch auto. I won't even open it until we'll open it as our last pack. All right, here we go, guys. Oh, here's the fire pack right there. I feel it. All right, let's see. So this is what I was talking about. This is the gold variant. No, it's not. This is the base card. J.J. Watt shooting cards. Hold on. That is Mark Ingram base. Joe Flacco gold. It's not numbered, but you see how it's thicker. I don't know that that's a hit. I just call it a hit. Tyler Lockett, Sherman, Kuechly, Rashad Green. This is, call that an X-Fractor because that's what it is in other things, but it is not numbered. Again, we're not doing, if you hit just a numbered card or a refractor or anything like that, that doesn't count as your hit. That doesn't count as a hit in this break. And then we got a gold Eddie Lacy. So as long as you don't hit an auto, you will be in the random for the free box. Gold Jeffrey. Famous Jameis. Patrick Peterson. There's a Fat Daddy Philip Rivers. Carlos Williams. Drew Brees. Sanders. Kelsey. Lamar Miller gold. Buck Allen. Eli Manning. Cam Newton. There's a refractor Vic Beasley. Like I said, they're not numbered. I'll show you again. Gold Gio. Matt Jones. Matt Jones. Jamal Charles. George Bell. Gates. That's a gold beast mode. Yeldon. If one of y'all are messaging me, I'm obviously doing something. Tate. Here is an insert of Jeremy Hill. Not numbered. There's like 1 or 2 per box. And a gold Brandon Marshall. And so we haven't even hit an auto yet. There's 2 autos and 1 auto memorabilia per box. Two rookie autographs, 1 autograph patch card per box, on average. We pulled 2 veteran patch. We pulled a veteran patch card last night. Hold on, let me make sure someone's not saying something important to me on Facebook. You guys, why don't you just man up and say it in the big people chat? We're all friends here. I'm already shipping out to you, so yeah. I mean, just remind me. It's not a big deal. Oh, I haven't even been separating the rookie cards. That's what I meant to do. I ship out the rookie cards with the gold cards. So yeah, like Jameis would go and stuff like that. So these are the hits, fake hits. It's okay. I'm just messing with y'all. Manning, Forsett, and our first auto is 73 out of 99. Ty Montgomery going to the NFC North. NFC North going out to Mr. Tony Ortiz. Ty Montgomery. Should really get this box cutter away from myself. Not bad, not bad. Ty Montgomery. 73 out of 99. I need to get the Prime Sigs off the desk. But yeah, I said it, and then I thought about it. I was like, well, I'm already shipping all y'all anyways, so as long as I don't have to. Matthew Stafford, gold. David Cobb, Jordan Cameron. Is that what it? Yeah, Jordan Cameron. Terrell Rivas, C.J. Mosley, gold. Fatty Des Bryant, Mariota, Robert Quinn, Marcellus Davis. Refractor of David Johnson, not numbered. You said it's not numbered. Kills me. Kills me. Gold Jordan Matthews. Justin Hardy. Joe Hayden, that's me. Cameron Wake. Yeah. We got another refractor. Jalen Strong. Not numbered. Chandler Jones, Big Fat Goldie. Garrett Grayson. Who's that? Gerald McCoy, not familiar with him. Deshaun Jackson. AJ Green. Terrell Suggs, gold. Ty Montgomery, base. Jordy Nelson, base. Robert Griffin, base. T-Braids. Gold. Russell Wilson, fatty. And just a base of Amari Cooper. Like I said, I'll ship out all the rookie cards. So I guess I need to put them over here for to remind myself. Okay, so we got the stack, and then we got the fat pack. Let's see, we got Antonio Brown, Antonio, Colin Kaepernick, and the next autograph is T.J. Yeldon. T.J. Yeldon, Jacksonville Jaguars, going to the AFC South, which is Carolina Dave. Does not look like it's numbered. Old TJ. It is not numbered. Dave, if you're awake, you just got a hit. TJ Yeldon. Smeldon to Yeldon. Gold Ertz. Is it my boy Dookie Duke? Martellus Bennett. Sammy Watkins. Randall Cobb. Gold McCoy. Some of them are. I think most of them are sticker autos. I think the ones that I pulled are sticker autos. Nelson Aguilar. Calvin Johnson. Ryan Tannehill. See, here's a blue variation of Melvin Gordon. See how it's not numbered, but this is a variation rookie card. It's not numbered anywhere. But if you were a avid platinum collector and you wanted to get the variations, see how it's blue. Gold DeMarco Murray. Max Williams. Andrew Luck. Jonathan Stewart. Dwayne Allen. Gold McFadden. Tevin Coleman. Matt Forte. T.Y. Hilton. There's another Melvin Gordon. See, look, now you could start your Melvin Gordon collection on Platinum. Let's see what you got. AFC West is Dave. See, Dave, you could start getting all your Melvin Gordons from Platinum. Get all the different variations. Gold Cutler and base Funches. You got the rainbow going. All right, here's the last pack. With the patch auto. I feel it in my bones. All right, got a gold Jason Witten. Got a base Devontae Parker. Then the hit is going out to the NFC South, going to Miss Hacks. It's not the one you want, but it is a sick 3-color patch auto out of 25. Kenny Bell. Kenny Bell, wide receiver. It is 6 out of 25. Six out of 25. See, I think that. If you were going to get it graded, I'll refund you. But see how thick that card is? That's how I could tell the pack had it in there. Yeah, no, they have some sweet looking cards. That's why I like them. That is why I like them. Because they are very nice looking. Need a bigger one. A drawer of supplies. He's got to go on 180 point. Got top loaders for all the way up to 138, and then we just skip to 180. There you go, Kenny Bell, 6 out of 25. Nice hit. That was just the first box. Everybody can go take a nap while we open the second box. Cajun, why don't you have anything to say? Why are you just sitting in here? Oh. Oh God. That's what I figured you were doing. But you could still be a part of the gang, man. You're about to leave me. Empty box. Alright, so who's gotten autos so far? We had, just so I can mark this, the NFC South. And then we had the AFC South. And then we had the Green Bay Packers, which is the NFC North. I think they're leaving Friday. He takes forever to respond. So I'll tell you. They're leaving Friday, probably Friday morning. I know he's busy. He's a busy man. Well, unfortunately, Angela. Unfortunately and fortunately, you hit an auto, so you don't get raffled into the free box break because you only had one spot. But everybody else is still on the board. Pardo doesn't have a hit yet. Dave and Tony both have 1 hit, and they both have 3 spots. So just kind of keeping you updated on the stuff. That is a Fat Daddy right there. Ugh, curiosity's killing me because I didn't even look. You just feel because it's one big giant card and then there's only 2 other cards in the pack. And I'm not breaking, so like I have the itch. Like I just want to know. Just want to know what it is. But I can't have it. Bring them out, bring them out. God, I hate not having music. This is so awkward just sitting here talking to myself. Phil, when does 2016 Donruss 6 come out? I had Strange asking about it. I know Dave doesn't want to talk about it since he missed out on the 101, but Strange was sending me information about 2016 Donruss 6. Of course. Dang, Phil, you're supposed to be my go-to know-it-all. I thought you knew how to use Google. Oh, okay. Sounds like excuses to me, guys. All right, let's get started with box 2. Got a little drink. Apple juice, cheers. I'm not gonna look. But as you see, the cards never leave the camera. That's why I have 3 cameras. So even if I like throw a card in my mouth like a magic trick, you'll still see it. See, you can see the special cards back here. All right, let's get going. We got J.J. Watt, Greg Hardy, Mark Ingram, Antonio Gates Gold, Mike Davis, Matt Forte. It looks like a variation, but it's not. T.Y. Hilton. There is a Brashad Perriman refractor. Gold Joik Release Bell. Cameron Artis Payne. Deshaun Jackson. AJ Green. Antonio Brown. Got a gold Carlos Dansby. Leonard Williams. Colin Kaepernick. Drew Brees. Sanders. Gold Mathis. Got a base Perriman. Working on the rainbow. Jamal Charles. Base Joik Bell. Antonio Gates. We got a golden Tate. Jay Ajayi. Aaron Foster. DeAndre Hopkins. Demaryius Thomas. Got all the tricks up his sleeves. And we got a Greg Hardy Gold. Base Antonio Brown. Darrelle Revis. C.J. Mosley. Robert Quinn. Gold Eli. Andrews Pete, Fat Boy Marcel Darius, Martellus Bennett, Refractor of Devontae Parker. Just like to show y'all every time that's not numbered. We got a gold Demarius. Oh, someone's working on the Demarius rainbow. Dorial Green Beckham. No, that's Sammy Watkins. I'm sorry. Not LaShawn McCoy. Randall Cobb. Megatron. Gold Hopkins. And base Tyler Croft. Okay, no autos yet. Cameron Wake base. Gerald McCoy. We got a Matt Jones refractor. Gold DeMarcus Ware. Al. Stephon Diggs base. Eli Newton. Leonard Williams refractor. J.J. Watt. Oh, wait, that's gold. It's a fatty. Clive Walford. Peyton Manning. Justin Forsett. Got a blue variation of Alvin Dupree. Steelers. Cam Newton gold. Fat. Base Kenny Bell. Working on the rainbow. Marshawn Lynch. Geo. We got a Diggs. Stephon Diggs refractor. We got a gold T.Y. Hilton. Rashad Green. Jason Witten. Robert Mathis. Carlos Dansby. Matt Forte gold. Got Alvin Dupree base. DeMarcus Ware. There's like a little insert trying to fall out. Alfred Morris base. There it is. Uh-oh, Melvin Gordon. Melvin Gordon rainbow in the house. We're working on that Melvin Gordon rainbow. Got the die cut now. Got a gold Mark Ingram. Brandon something. Schneif. Jordan Reed base. Golden Tate base. And there's an auto. Josh Robinson. It's a base autograph. Going out to the Indianapolis Colts. AFC South going out to All-Star Mr. Tony. Josh Robinson. You know, I thought they released him, and then I saw him out on the field Sunday, so I guess they didn't. Yeah, I'll send you a picture of your hits. I believe you had, so far you've got Ty Montgomery and Josh Robinson. Those are the hits. You want me to take a picture of all the golds and the non-numbered refractors? You're going to have to give me a little extra time. Jordan Reed gold. And Bryce Petty base. Alright, Jordy Nelson, RG3, T-Braids, Jamal Charles gold, Chris Conley. My camera can focus, I'm just not, like I know what it is, so I'm not focusing in. And it could only be, oh no, it's not who I thought it was. Austin Hill, base auto for the Jets, J-E-T, Jets, going out to the AFC East. Carolina Dave. We just had AFC North, didn't we? No. Yeah, AFC North was the Packers. Did I got this right? Need to look. Gotta double check my X's. Some X's and O's. So we have the Jets, which is AFC East, which I do have an X by. NFC South. If you're chatting, it looks like I'm looking at you, but it's on the other monitor, so I can't see. AFC South, I have an X. Colts, it's AFC South, I have an X. And Ty Montgomery is the NFC North, which I have an X. Okay. So we had a double up on the AFC South. We had a double up on the AFC South, which is good for people trying to get them freebies. That free box is what I'm talking about. Arian Foster Gold. Jeremy Langford. Stewart. Dwayne Allen. You know, I thought he was going to be the big dog this year. Joe Hayden. And then they have that other tight end that's a gold, Alfred Morris. They got that and a base Todd Gurley. They got that other guy just going ham. All right, so we got a gold Jordy Nelson. Got a base Jalen Strong. And then we have an autograph rookie refractor patch card going out to the AFC East again. Got a camo refractor Bryce Petty. 6/50. It's a 2-color patch. Bryce Petty 2-color patch. 6/50. I don't know if it'll focus. There's lots of sparkles going on. You'll have to trust me. Hey, it's eBay 101. 6, flip it over to 9. Bryce Petty, 2-color patch. That's a fat card. See, Dave likes it. Cajun. Why you gotta break us down like that? I don't come in your lobby and boo you. I'm just messing, bud. Boom. Yeah. Remind me to give you a good cut to the punch next time I see you. All right, I'm going to ship out all the rookie cards, all the refractors, and all the gold cards. I got to separate the rookie cards, which I should have done while I was doing it. And now I'm going to random. Let's see. We've got the AFC West, NFC West, and NFC East that did not get a auto. So let us pull up some new window. This is a new thing that we're doing at Breakonomics. It's called the Bad Beat Box Break. We're all about alliterations. Bad Beat Box Break. So what we do is, it doesn't matter how many teams you get. If it's a PYT, if it's something that qualifies for one of these Bad Beat Box Breaks, you know, you can get 1 million teams, but if one of your teams didn't hit, you get an entry. But this is obviously such a smaller sample size. Good night. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Thanks for participating. Since this is such a small sample size, you got you 3 guys to have a 1 in 3 chance to get a free box of Prime signatures. I'm gonna break it personally just for you after I figure out how to capture the window of running a giveaway. All right. Bad Beat Box Break number 1. We did it. It's number 1. Anything but Snake Eyes, we re-roll. 6 times. We've got, we'll put it in order. AFC West. I'll just put your names since it's in order. Carolina Dave. Pardo Willie. All-Star 2016. Alright guys, you see it's 1253 right there. Good luck everybody. There's only 3 of you. You got a 33.3.33333 chance to get a free box. Can't guarantee the box is going to have hot fire, but it's the only thing I can do is try and offer you a little bit more loving. So we're going 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got All-Star on top on 5. The Kiss of Death is coming. Pardo Willie goes hitless the entire night. Gets a free box of 2016 Prime signatures. Congratulations. Verification code if you guys need me to post it later. 1253. I'm going to run a new giveaway so I can random the random Prime signatures box. Anything but Snake Eyes. 10 times. Let's see what Prime signatures boxes do I have. Everything except what did we pull earlier? 3 and 6. Yeah, 3 and 6. Everything except 3 and 6. 1, 2. What? No, that's 12. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's right. Correct. 10 entries. Yep. That'll be 2 boxes missing. Going 10 times. 12:54 a.m. Central Time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 on top on 9. 12:54. And box 5. That is going to be this one right here. I guess I should X out of this. Box 5. Good luck, buddy. See if we can get LaFire. Box 5 disappeared. Off camera. Magic tricks. I switched it out for a lesser box. Y'all know how I do. 50 box. This is for Pardo. We randomed it. It was you had a division that didn't hit. Carolina Dave had a division that didn't hit, and Pardo's division didn't hit. So I randomed them all. Like I said, it'll all be on YouTube. But Mr. William was the winner of the random. And I can post the verification links if you need. If you don't trust me, if you're like that Hayden guy, he's doing some magic tricks and some stuff. All right, so we got a Duke Johnson base. It's all going to Pardo. Geo base. Sam Bradford base. Michael Floyd 58 out of 149. Got a Ring Bearers Joe Montana, not numbered. And oh my God, he lives within Breakonomics. Bryce Petty auto. 32 out of 99. I sense sarcasm. Someone hit him with the band hammer. Roxy, band hammer him. He's being sarcastic. You're welcome, bud. I'm sorry it was not a better hit. But I'm happy to do that for you. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Y'all have a good evening. Everybody's getting off. Anybody wants to do a personal box break, anyone wants to split a box, we've got 2016 Prom Sigs, and we have got 2015 Platinum. I'm going to go ahead and stop recording. Make sure you like, follow, subscribe, Facebook, on my page, everything. Make me feel important and loved. Thanks, guys.